Hi P5 pupils, we are back again. After learning how to multiply, of course, we need to learn how to divide. Now, just now, do you remember when we multiply, the number becomes bigger? So what about division? When we divide, the number becomes smaller. So if you want to make the number become smaller, you got to move your decimal place towards your left-hand side. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's take a look at question 4a. Now, this is 650. This is 6.5. Now, 6, 5, 6, 5, all the numbers are already here. So it means that I need to divide by 10, 100, or 1,000. Now, something like this is similar to the previous video. You can try dividing by 10 first. So if you divide by 10, now where's your decimal? Your decimal is here. In P4, you learn where your decimal place is. So 650 point, your decimal is actually here. Now, if I divide by 10, means I'm going to move, because 10 I got only 1 0. So you're going to move your decimal towards the left-hand side by 1 position. Now, then your decimal will now be here. That will mean that this is 65.0, which is not what I want. I want 6.5. Now, so I need to add in one more 0, and then I'm going to move one more decimal place towards the left-hand side. 6.50. 6.5. You say, hey, it's different. Now, take note. 6.50 and 6.5, they actually means the same thing. And actually, for all decimal question, if you ever write 6.50, you'll be penalized. So it's actually, you should actually drop the 0 at the back. So it becomes 6.5. So does this make sense now? Divide by 100? Yes. Now, then just one more example, because in case you are wondering. Now, what if I have 1.2300? Can I write as 1.2300 as my final answer? No. The last 20 has no value at all. It doesn't mean a thing. So you should write your answer as 1.23. Then you say, teacher Patrick, then what about this? What if I have 1.203? Can I drop this 0? No. This 0 is not at the last position. So if you drop this 0, it means that it becomes 1.23. And it doesn't make sense because 1.23 and 1.203, they are two different sets of decimals. Okay? Now, then we move on to question number 5. Now, still remember, division, you're going to move towards your left-hand side because your number becomes smaller. So let's do this. 16 divided by 40. Now, it's not divided by 10, not divided by 100, not divided by 1,000. It's divided by 40. So you're going to split this up first. Split up into 4 times 10. So it means that you're going to first of all do this. 16 divided by 4, then divided by 10. So you divide by the first number, which is a 4, and then divide by a 10. So what is 16 divided by 4? You get a 4. And then you just copy this down, divide by 10. Okay? So what is 4 divided by 10? 4 divided by 10. Remember what I taught you? Your decimal is here. You're going to move 1 position towards your left. Why 1 position? Because got 1 0. Remember? 1 0 move 1 position. 2 0 move 2 position. Okay? So it becomes 0. Okay, see, if you move like that, 4, you move like that. The decimal place is now here. So what is in front of this? It's definitely a 0. So 0.4. So the answer is 0.4. Okay? Do you understand this now?